Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shilpa Saple, fertility consultant at Surya Fertility Clinics in Santa Cruz. Today I will be talking to you about diet for infertile patients. So many a times I get this question where what kind of diet should we be eating and what are the do's and don'ts. So let us look at what things you can incorporate to increase your chances of conception. So firstly, you should see to it that you're well hydrated. Of course, infertility treatment can be quite stressful. You have to go to the clinic multiple times, maybe exposure to sun or even in the air conditioner. It is quite likely that dehydration will set in. So see to it that you have a good amount of water, at least 2.5 to 3 liters of water. Now you must remember that the hormonal injections or medications which you take during this fertility treatment also will lead to dehydration, and you need to keep yourself well hydrated. Second is having a wholesome diet which is rich in fiber. So to have this, you should see to it that you have home cooked green leafy vegetables or the colored vegetables like carrots, your wheat and spinach and the various other ones, which will give good amount of fiber also in your diet. Third is fruits. So in fruits, there are all kinds of fruits are allowed, and particularly you can incorporate berries like strawberries, raspberries, gooseberries. So these are definitely proven to have a beneficial effect in for infertile patients. In dry nuts, remember to have walnuts and yes, avocado. So avocado is a very rich source of antioxidant, and in people who have poor ovarian reserve or in those who have reduced uterine lining, that means their endometrium is thin. So in those patients, it's found to be beneficial. So what are the foods which you avoid when you're trying? So first and foremost is sugar. So sugar actually is a non-nutritive component in the diet. So avoid excessive sugar as such, and it will just lead to a lethargy and increase the amount of calories, and you end up having a lot of weight gain during your treatment. So the second one which should be avoided is refined flour. So refined flour in many ways, we have various types of delicacies which are prepared. So those you should be avoiding. The others are the bakery products, breads, biscuits, khalis, and butter, and all those things you should be avoiding. Third is carbonated drinks like a different type of colas. So again, we have known that there are so many additives which are present in these carbonated drinks which are not good for health. So low amount of pesticides and other chemicals. Next is artificial flavorants, sweeteners and packaged items. So if you see, these packaged items have different types of additives which are labeled in codes, and these are not good for your gametes, that is the eggs and the sperm. Finally, it is any tobacco, alcohol or even caffeine in excessive amounts is not good when you are trying to conceive. Dear friends, it is not the quantity but the quality of food which matters, and therefore see what you're eating. Eat only when what is right when you're trying to conceive to increase your chances.